Hello, my name is Tomé Canas. I'm Head of Open Innovation at BGI and I'm the manager of the Eat Circular project. This project is financed by Climate Kick and is focused on the food waste, especially food waste at the collective meals organizations, like companies that supply meals to hospitals, schools and other type of organizations. In this project we have several workshop sessions during the month of July where, together with external partners, we try to share with the participants best practice information and training materials about food waste and circular economy. In September we'll have an open innovation event where, together with these participants, we'll try to solve challenge on this theme of food waste. So be present.